Right, hi everyone, welcome back. It's going to be a short video this time. I think most of them might be short now, but yeah, this time I'm going to be sorting out this gear stick because of the slop in it. I don't know if you remember in a previous video, but the little bush is missing in there, so as you can see we got quite a bit of play. So we're gonna get a little bit of grease and just put a bit of that down in here. Like so. And we just give it a bit of a wipe over it. I don't want to put too much in there. It was really dry. Right, and from what I can make out, because I thought that the bush that we got to have in here, I thought that would go, you'd like pop that in there and then you'd put the stick in and that'd be it. But from what it feels like, that kind of pops on here. So in theory, this should just pop in there like that now. Yeah, that's better, isn't it? Cool, that's quite simple, isn't it? Right, so all I need to do now is just, I'll get my little plate and I'll bolt that back on. Right, so obviously if you was doing this as a job, then you'd have to dismantle it all, so you'd have all of your console and stuff if you've got a console, and you'd remove this with the gator and everything, but obviously I've already had it all apart. So all I need to do now is just pop this plate back on in the right orientation, I guess. That's it. It does only go one way by the look of it. Because that's not quite, yeah, that's slightly off. And that's slightly off. But there, like that, it lines up right. So you got these strange looking springs and a collar on there as well, just so it doesn't put too much tension on it, I guess. So we'll pop all of them back in there. Like so. And then we'll just this 1/2 inch socket. All in there. I remember what is what now. First, second, third, fourth. I think that's reverse over there. Where's the gear knob? Yeah, that's right, yeah, reverse is over and then back. So yeah, that's good. Right, we'll give this a clean up and then we can put the trim piece back in, and then this bit's buttoned up then. Alright, we've just got a little bit of metal polish. You just see what that does. You see that's come up pretty good, that. Before, after. Oh yeah, I'll clean that up and then we'll get that one. Alright, I just whipped that nut, that lock nut for the gear knob off. First, hopefully I can find these holes easy enough. Hopefully this lines up easy enough. Just trying to remember what way around it goes. I think it's, see it like that? Oh there, can't be that way. Yeah, right. I'll just try and get these all in loose first. Alright, so that one started. I see the bloody thing. Let me get a little prodding screwdriver. That one's a little smaller, so I'll find the... Oh, there we are. It's over here. Now the other two should just line straight up. In theory, yeah. And stick my lock nut back on. and just nip that up. Just like that. Right, that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and reverse. Cool. Right, well, I think that's going to do it for this one. It's just mainly to show you doing the little bush in the stick, so hopefully that's of interest to someone. So thanks for watching. If you haven't already, hit the like, subscribe, share, do all of that nonsense, and I'll be back next time with another job on the car. I don't know what, but it'll be something.